In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Zapier plugin for Chatgpt. So first of all, you need to ensure that you are a paid user of Chatgpt. It costs $20 a month. Now, once you're paid, you can go into your profile down the bottom left, click here, go to settings. Now you want to go to beta features, and there's a little box here that says plugins. Now, select this on, and you can go to Chatgpt 4 and go down to plugins and beta, and then here you can go to plugin store, press OK, wait for it to load a second. Okay, nice, and we can go and type in, here we go, we've got Zapier straight here. Click install. Now what's going to get you to do is going to get you to authorize with your Zapier account, so make sure you're also signed in here. Press okay, so that's linked up here. Now what it's done here, it's getting you to set up your first action, so you can get it to, if you have something that you need it to do, you can get it to do it straight away, or you can just leave this blank. But if I close this, you can see that it's now linked up and ready to go. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below. That helped. Thank you for watching.